Yeah, New York City, bitch, that's where I come from. Not where I moved to, I'm mom and dad's trust fund. New York City, bitch, that's how I'm rolling. Out of state face, get your iPad stolen. Looks like a fucking red hook, aside from IKEA. Can I take a train there? No idea. Jumping on Atlantic, bitches say alien. You keep that mess, Jay-Z, come.
So today I'm doing an iPhone XS Max unboxing. I just got the new iPhone, and I had the iPhone 10 and I upgraded because I wish the 10 was a max size, a plus size, but they call it max now. Yeah, I always like the plus size phones, like I like bigger phones and stuff. So yeah, let's start the fucking unboxing. This is the phone box. It looks really pretty. I love it. This is the 256 gigabytes, bitches. Because if you get that 64, whatever gigabytes that is, you're whack. No funny shit, you're really whack. Because a bitch needs a lot of memories. I take mad pictures, I do so much shit. Alright. It looks so pretty. I got the black space gray one because I don't really like the color and stuff. The phone is really nice. But I already unboxed it before the video, guys. That's why the stickers is not on it. I just didn't really do the video, but this is the phone. It looks really nice and shiny. Like, I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna show you guys like my screensaver and stuff. And like, there's probably so many people texting me because I turned the phone off to do the video. And I'm like gonna walk you through the phone and stuff. Ooh. This one is really nice. Like, there was no cases for it, so I had to get this plain ass case. And this looks really nice on it. Look. Yeah, like this is the screensaver. Hold on. I don't know if you can see it, but I love the Claremont twins, so I have them as my screensaver. So the phone is like pretty much the same and stuff, but like the camera is really good. I done took so much pictures that like you guys would like not believe how good the pictures look. Like, the pictures look amazing, the videos, everything. Hold on. Oh, okay. So in the box will come like the regular stuff, like this, the headphone. Hold on. Ooh. The charger, and this, I don't know what they call this, but the wall piece. Nothing changed with the boxing. It's just like the phone is really good to have in your hand. It feels really big, so I feel like if you're gonna get the phone, I feel like you should get the max size, not the 10s, because it's like, I don't feel like you should get it if you're gonna get that one, because this one is like really good. Like, the camera and everything is so fucking good. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna take a picture of my purse so you guys can see it. Ooh. I had to put this brightness down so you guys could see. Like, I can't explain it. Like, the camera's just amazing, guys. Like, I feel like you guys should get it. The phone feels good. It feels good in your hands. Yeah. Like, just get the phone, bitches. Like, this shit is so fab. I love it. I love snapping on it and everything. So yeah, thank you.